one of the techniques nak simplify, you can write down in your note, is that you structure your thought process tu menggunakan soalan-soalan who, what, where, when, why, how. Ambil nafas, tarik nafas. Bila nak cakap sesuatu perkataan, kita terlupa. We forgot. Kita tarik nafas. Orang Islam kita buat apa? Selawat kan? Kalau terlupa sesuatu, selawat. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. Kemudian kita who. Okay, who. Kalau who tak ada kena-mena, tak apa. Who, what. Okay, what is, this is a type of food that comes from a fruit, durian. And people use it, what lagi? What tu banyak-banyak lagi. What apa lagi? We use it to cook with fish. Kalau nak sebut, where does it come from? Boleh nak sebut. Kalau yang famous tu dekat Temerloh, dekat Perak kan. You try to answer the questions of who, what, where, when, why, how. Dia akan membantu kita untuk dapat idea to simplify.